gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. This one is a moto unboxing, well, more of a camera unboxing in this case. And before we get to what's in this little package, I'm gonna walk you through the GoPros that I've had before. So I've had GoPros since the very beginning, since the very first one. This one right here is the GoPro Hero, the original Hero. This thing, you know, I got it when it first came out. It's a classic. I wonder how many of you guys actually have the original one, but this one served me for long enough. And this one I use for mostly bicycling. This is before motovlogging was even in my head. Then the next camera I got was Hero 3 Plus, except it got ran over by a Volvo. And this one I used for quite a long time. It's obviously pretty deformed and messed up, but this one served. The following I got was Hero 4 Black, or no, Silver, actually, I believe. Hero 4 Silver. And I used this one for a long time, and then it just died, and I didn't have a GoPro Care or anything, so my only option was to get another GoPro 4. And this one still works. This one, obviously, the battery is probably long dead since I haven't used it in a couple of years. I should actually charge it up and test it out. That'd be interesting. And which brings us to this GoPro right here, and this one is the 7 Black, the one that I'm recording with. And yeah, and that one is totally fine, but GoPro 11 just came out, and that's where this comes in. Let's set these babies aside and do a super quick unboxing of the mystery. What could be possibly in this box? I mean, I just told you, but you know. And it actually comes with this silly little 32 gig memory card. I've been using 64s for a long time now, so I'm not even sure what I'm gonna do with this 32. It's almost like useless. Maybe I'll use it as like backup if I ever need it, but 32 gig card. Then we got the magic. Slide it on out. So this is just a cute little gift wrap of sorts, I'm guessing. Nice. And I hope it's not too dark for you guys because the sun did just fall. So I'm guessing my GoPro is struggling with the light. So let's see, what do we got here? How do we open it without being completely savage about it? I guess there's a little boop, little thingy down here. All right, and then just slide it on out. Cute little packaging, not too much on it. Nice. Set it aside along with this memory card here. And this is by no means a review or anything of the sort. It's just a first reaction to the unboxing. Nice little package. I don't think I'm gonna use this too much because I don't know, maybe I will. So, geez, got a lot of papers here. So, right away, we got some stickers. We got some basic instructions, more tips, cold weather, wetness, product questions, okay. Adorable. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Okay, you can do that, no problem. And here we are. We got our little USB-C cord. We got one of these curvy things, which actually, this is handy. I actually do use this on my helmet, so that's nice, but I'm not gonna need it now, but that's okay. Then we got, what do we got here? Oh, come on, get out, get out. A little screw. Ooh, I'm guessing this is the battery. Yep, that's the new battery. And I have like a recycling bag under my table. I'm not just throwing things on the floor, but cute. All right, I'm gonna charge this baby up. Only one battery, so I'm definitely gonna get at least 2 more batteries. Then the next thing we got is this little connector. Cute, new. It's always a smart idea to replace these once in a while because I've had these break and you don't wanna deal with all that. And then we have the camera. This case is kind of silly. I guess you don't actually use all this. I guess you would just put things in here and just like store it. But, interesting. I don't know what the big point of this is, but it's recyclable. So we got all of our little things. Cute. And here's the party piece. Here's our little GoPro. So, of course, I just cut my nails. So we're gonna have to just rip things. There it is. GoPro 11 in the flesh. And this will improve the quality just a little bit. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Very good. All right. So that's it. Just a quick unboxing. And I'm going to actually release some footage, I think, off the 11 before I release this video or use this video of any sort. Because I want to see if people can actually tell the difference. If people will right away be able to say like, oh wow, this is crispier, or, you know, impossible to tell. Anyway, so we got, what is this here? No. I guess over here is how you open the door. I don't even know how to open the door. I'm such a noob. Anyway, we'll figure it out. Can't be that tricky. All right, boys and girls, thank you for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.